Thinking about an MBA in Australia but don't want to take the GMAT? Great news! Many top universities have waived off the GMAT requirements.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
In this video, we'll cover the best GMAT-free MBA programs, their costs, salaries, and tips to boost your chances of admission. Let's dive in. Unlike the US, Australian B schools have focused more on the work experience, leadership, and the academic performance rather than the standardized tests. This makes it easier for working professionals and international students to apply. Interesting fact, Monash University has waived off the GMAT if you have at least 5 years of managerial experience. Here are some of the top Australian universities that offer GMAT-free MBA programs. Monash University has offered a 1 to 2 year MBA program with an approximate tuition fees ranging between 19 to 29 lakhs Indian rupees, and GMAT has been waived off for students with more than 5+ years of work experience. University of New South Wales offers a 1 to 2 year MBA course with an approximate tuition fee between 20 to 44 lakhs Indian rupees, and no GMAT is required. University of Adelaide offers a 1 to 2 year MBA course with an approximate tuition fee between 20 to 27 lakhs Indian rupees. RMIT University has an MBA course of 1 to 1.5 years, and the tuition fees ranges between 30 to 26 lakhs Indian rupees. Deakin University offers a 1.5 year MBA program with an approximate fees between 20 to 26 lakhs Indian rupees. Macquarie University has a 1.5 year MBA course as well with an approximate tuition fee between 17 lakhs to 26 lakhs Indian rupees with no GMAT requirements. Which MBA specializations have the best scope in Australia? Finance and banking is ideal for investment banking and fintech. Digital marketing has a high demand in Australia's growing tech sector. Supply chain and logistics is great for global trade professionals. And technology and innovation is great for IT and startups. Let's talk numbers. How much does it cost, and is it worth it? The MBA cost in Australia ranges between 55,000 to 100,000 Australian dollars. The average post-MBA salary ranges from 95,000 to 130,000 Australian dollars. The ROI timeline is that most students have recovered costs in 2 to 3 years. Pro tip: Australian MBA programs are mostly short, between 1 to 2 years, which means you can get into the job market even faster. How to get admitted without GMAT in Australia? A work experience between 3 to 5 years is ideal. A strong GPA and a good academic performance will help. A powerful SOP will showcase your leadership and career goals. Professional certifications such as CFA, PMP, or data analytics will add value to your application. Another pro tip: networking is key. Make sure to get connected to the alumni members and the faculty of the university before applying. So that's it for today's video. GMAT-free MBAs in Australia are totally possible and can lead to amazing career opportunities. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and hit the bell icon. Also comment which Australian university is on your list.
Planning to study abroad but confused about SOPs, LORs, courses, or visas? No worries. Shiksha's expert counselors offer free guidance for everything. Message us on WhatsApp now at 8130132440 and let's get you started.
करिए अपनी ग्लोबल एजुकेशन की शुरुआत शिक्षा स्टडी अब्रॉड के साथ।